Hi there. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how the CIS224 online course is set up so to make sure that you can find all your information and know how to actually work your way through the course. So once you log into Blackboard and you click your CIS224 course from your My Institution page, you'll come to the landing page of the course. If you click the What's New link on the left-hand side, that's where any announcements will show up in Blackboard so that you can see when I've updated grades, see any important announcements I might make to the class as a whole or overall. All right, so as you can see that I have made an announcement for Maricopa on Facebook to give you some information about that, and then this is also where I did the welcome class. Once you click on the My Instructor link on the left-hand side of the page, that's where you will get some information about me. There's my email, my office number, let you know about my office hours. I don't have set office hours, but I'm flexible by appointment, so if we need to meet face-to-face, we can arrange a time that's convenient for the two of us. And then we can meet and you can receive additional help or have questions answered. Again, I do give you my cell phone number here. I do ask that you just be respectful of the time of day or night that you call me. And please remember, it's not an emergency if you wait till the very last minute. So I do encourage you to stay up to date on your assignments. And if you have questions, feel free to ask those. I'm here to help you to be successful. The syllabus link on the left-hand side will take you to a copy of the syllabus in PDF format. So you'll want to download that, read it, and then make sure that you understand the information that's contained in there. The books and supplies link just basically gives you more information on the book that is required for the course, which is the New Perspectives Microsoft Office Project 2010. It's a newer book that we're using this semester. There's the ISBN number, and feel free to purchase that book from wherever you may want to and wherever you can find it the least expensive. Other than that, you need a computer. Doesn't matter if it's Windows or Mac or Linux based that is compatible with a Citrix receiver, and we provide you with free access to all the software that you might need for this course. The schedule link will give you an outline of all the assignments, reading assignments, discussion boards, project assignments that you need to complete for the course. I give you a PDF version of this, give you a Microsoft Word version, and then these files can also be found in the class folder on my SEC as well. This breaks it down by modules, approximately 2 weeks for each module with the exception of the orientation, and you can see exactly what assignments you'll be doing throughout the course. The two links that you'll use the most are the Go to Class and the Discussion Board links. So if you click the Go to Class link, I have everything broken down into different modules. So you want to start out with your orientation module. You'll click that. That's the first thing that you're going to do this semester, and it gives you step-by-step instructions of what you need to do, how to review the course material. Your first assignment is to actually send me an email answering those 6 questions. I do ask that you send it via email so that I know for sure that you have a working email address. There's a video about what MySCC is, and then there's some instructions on how to log into MySCC, open up Microsoft Project, and open up the orientation text file that you will need to let me know what the contents of that file is. So that's the way the orientation is set up. Now, when you go into Module 1, once you understand how Module 1 works, all the other modules are set up exactly the same way. So this Module 1 here will show you what the objectives for this particular module are. So you click that to open. All right, every module will have a PowerPoint for you visual learners who like to have things broken down into smaller chunks and kind of bulleted and summarized. There's a PowerPoint there for you to review. The reading assignment, which will give you the page numbers, and then there's also will be a read assignment in the project management body of knowledge. And so with that, you'll want to open that in MySCC and then read whatever chapters are appropriate there, and you'll use that information to answer your discussion board questions. Almost every module has either 1 or 2 videos that goes along with the course content that you will need to review. And then there's a discussion board. So you can click the discussion board link there. It'll take you over to the discussion board. Eventually, it will take you there. And there's the introduce yourself. So here's the Module 1 discussion board. You'll click that. And this is where you would create your new thread to answer the questions. Now, if you go back, each discussion board will outline what you need to answer for that, and then how many responses you need to do. Almost every single discussion board requires you to respond to at least 2 of your students' posts. So for example, in this first discussion board, after reading chapters 1 and 3 in the Project Management Body of Knowledge Guide, you need to answer these questions. And then right here, you should post your own topic and then also respond to at least 2 other students' postings. Now, please remember that postings or responses like, I really agree with that, or good job, or I never thought of that, don't count. They need to be meaningful responses, and you can find that information in the course syllabus. So if you go to class, go back to our Module 1, and now we've looked through the PowerPoint, we read our textbook, read the Body of Knowledge Guide and the videos, answered our discussion question. Then there's a review assignment for you to do. And it tells you what page number that's on, and you'll do that in MySCC using Microsoft Project 2010 and the student data files that I provided for you. And then once you're done with that, and then there's a tutorial test, which you'll click on that link. It opens up your test. And remember, once you click the link, once you start your test, you actually need to finish it. So make sure that you don't hit begin until you are actually ready to take your test. Pay attention to the deadlines in the course calendar to let you know when you need to have the assignments and reading assignments and tests completed. Then you'll move on to Module 2. If you want to work ahead in the class, that's perfectly fine, but you do need to at least, at a minimum, follow the course calendar so that you don't get behind in your coursework. And as you can see, Module 2 is set up the same exact way. This particular one, we have 2 videos as well, discussion board, review assignment, and a test after your reading assignments. So each one is really set up, every module set up the same way. There's a link here to MySCC on the left-hand side. If you forget what that is, you can click that link. It'll open up MySCC in a new window. There's also a link over here on the left-hand side for useful links to MySCC, MySCC Help, SCC's homepage, and then some project management specific links as well. Under SCC resources are some additional resources for the library, tutoring centers, student services, career services, and things like that that may be helpful to you throughout the semester. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Once you get started and learn where things are going through Module 1, the rest of the course will be a breeze because everything's set up exactly the same way. I wish you much success throughout this semester. Thank you.